Mitsubishi will want to follow updated instructions on the aiming of headlights on the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander to maintain the performance that won the vehicle a top safety pick plus from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, the automaker said. According to a Mitsubishi spokesman, in the specific case surrounding the IIHS testing, the earlier production vehicle's headlights were aimed a little too high at the factory, causing glare in oncoming drivers' eyes, and the change on the line was solely to the aiming. We have provided material to our dealer partners so that they may re-aim customers' vehicles' headlights if customers request it. What's new? The Outlander offers an array of standard and optional advanced driver assistance systems. Among these are MI Pilot Assist integrates adaptive cruise control, ACC, lane keep assist, LKA, and traffic sign recognition to maintain appropriate speed and following distance and keep the vehicle in the center of the lane.